everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin and I like to do travel vlogs. But this is going to be a travel vlog, day one. I'm currently in the middle of getting ready, I'm finished getting ready now. I've got my suitcase in the background and my airport bag there, ready to go. Just need to close up my suitcase and we're good to go. I've literally just got on a tracksuit, this silk tracksuit, and my hair will be going up soon. I am totally knackered. I have not slept at all. It's currently 20 to 3 in the morning. So my coach is at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going from Swansea up to Gatwick. However, on the website it says it's direct, but I've had an email so I've had to change in Heathrow. If that's the case, it's only half an hour wait in Heathrow. And then on to Gatwick. I do arrive 5 hours before departure. However, if I got the later coach, I would have been rushing for time, and I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to stress. I just wanted to go easy. I've got 5 hours to kill. I'll go and get some breakfast. As you can see, I'm totally knackered. I've got no makeup on. I'm going to go and get some breakfast. I'm going to edit my video, my pack of me video for Egypt. I'll link it up here or this side. I haven't managed to edit that, so I'm going to try and edit that and try and get it up soon. It'll be up before this vlog anyways. My flight is at 3:25 in the afternoon. I arrive in Egypt, Hurghada, at 10 to 10 local time, which I think they're only an hour ahead of the UK time, so it's not too bad. The angle might have changed slightly because it fell, my phone fell. But if you do enjoy this video, please smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, comment, just let me know what you think of my travel vlog. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments. And without further ado, let's go to the coach station to get to the airport. Good morning everyone, welcome to this part of the vlog. I'm currently sat right at the back of the bus and people like further down. I'm just going to talk quiet so no one can hear me. So I arrived on this coach about 4 o'clock and I slept for a good 3.5 hours, which is what I needed because I didn't even get any shut eye before I came on here. I just couldn't sleep in the house. And I'm on here, I feel a bit better because I'm tired. I might try and get another hour or so in before we arrive at the airport. The coach is very quiet, I'm not gonna lie, but it's nice. I've got my little setup on the back. I've got 3 seats all to myself. I'll show you guys now. Just wake up in my respect to try to touch the glass with some cold muscles. This aircon is pretty shit. It's really weird the heating is like on full blast to be. People think there's wind out at night, but it's not. It's all done. Got another 2.5 hours, 3 hours to get to the airport. So it's not too bad. Just under 3 hours now to go. So halfway through the leg now, and then I got about 2 hours to kill before I can check in. So I'm gonna go for breakfast and chat for a bit, try and edit my pack on my vlog because I need to do that. I did start editing it, but I need to carry on editing that, so I got about 2 hours to do that, and then I can go through check-in security and through duty free to try and get some chocolates for Christmas and try and keep them for Christmas. Fingers crossed that can happen. But apart from that, I'm super excited, and as you can see, I'm sat on the coach. Just got off the coach now, making my way into the terminal, North Terminal I'm flying out of. I've got 5 hours now to kill, so I'm going to get some food somewhere and hang about. So you guys, I came a week ago and that's when I last saw you in this video. It was a week ago, and I didn't actually give you a room tour when I came to the hotel and like throughout the week. So now I'm going to give it to you. It's a lovely room, and I'm just going to show you where I've been staying for the past week, show you around my bedroom, and yeah, a long awaited room tour, but for you guys it'll literally be like after the next clip. So there's the door, and when you come in through the door, this is what you see. So let's go into the bathroom. And then you got the toilet, toilet paper bin, telephone. You've got the sink, got the cosmetic stuff that they give you, my spray which I will be using just before I leave. Got the hair dryer up here on the wall. Excuse me, I'm in my bikini. Then this is the shower. I have just had a shower as well. So that is the shower. I need to pick that up and pick that up as well. But this is where the towel rail is, and then I don't know if you can see the thin line here. It's a little washing line, which is quite cool, from wall to wall. And then more towels, like for your hair or like hand towels. Then as you come out, we've got the safe. I have just emptied the safe, so that's why it's open like that. We've got the wardrobe space. So you've got some coat hangers. It's quite dark. Some storage. Not that it was used. And then you got on the other side as well, spare pillows and more coat hangers. The little essentials that they give you in every hotel. And more shelving up there, and more shelving there. They do close like this, but I did have them open just because I have to leave that there a minute. So that's what that looks like. Got my shoes. Ignore some of the mess that I've got because I am just clearing everything up. So I got my fridge. What have I got in it? That I had a Coke from a friend, but I'm not a lover of Coke, so that's gonna be staying for the hotel. Made also got a bottle of water in there, little freezer thing, which I don't think is on anyways. But that's the fridge. It's a good size fridge. Then here you got the tea and coffee making facilities. Ignore this. It's my sun cream, bottled water. This is what they give you: tea and coffee facilities. And then got some more shelving there. And then I take you to the bed. So this is the bed I've been staying in. It's like not a double and not a single. It's in between a single and a double. I have got all the pillows on my bed because who doesn't love a lot of pillows? So I got 4 on my bed. I took the other 2 off there because there's 2 on each bed. That's that. They got the light, and you got the other light at the side there. You also got a lamp. But on the bedside table, you just got plug points, the light switches, telephone, and remote control. This is what I'm going to be wearing today. And then you got some seating area, a nice lamp, the curtains. And then let's take you over here. You got another lamp. Got my suitcase, which is ready to be closed nearly. Don't know how I'm going to close it because it looks too full. But my neck pillow and my bag ready to go home. Spare socks to wear now. My lock. Got the bin, which it is full. And then this is the table area. I am leaving some money for the maid. I hope you'll appreciate it, which I think you will. And my bag ready to go up tonight. Is it tonight? Ready to go up today, as I don't get picked up until nearly 7 o'clock tonight. So I'm going to put my lock on that bag and lock that, because obviously that's got passports, iPads, laptop. Whereas a suitcase, if anything gets taken out the suitcase, you're not going to get much, which I don't think is going to happen. And then you got some more drawers here. And then let's take you to the balcony. So this is the stunning balcony. You got 2 seats, and you got a table, you got the ashtray. They literally smoke everywhere here in the Middle East. So then this is the balcony. It's lovely. I actually haven't had any photos on the balcony, to be fair. And this is the view. You can see the pool over there, and then you got some palm trees in the way. But if you walk around there, keep on walking, you got the fun fair, and then you've got the Waterpark. And that's just the other side. And then over there's down reception and where we sit for dinner and entertainment. But I am only 2 stories high anyways. But yeah, this is my view. And just to interrupt here as well, I did have an on-site water park and I did film quite a few different clips to make a video, and it would have been a good video. However, I'm new to my GoPro and I don't know what happened, but I actually haven't got any of my videos anymore. I did make a few more, but I don't know if I'm going to be posting them. If I do, they are going to be at the end of this video, just to show you. I'm just gutted, and I didn't have time to make another video of it because I planned my days out, and that day that I was making that video was the only day I could literally do it, and I'm just absolutely gutted. I did make a few clips, so I will insert them after this little video. But you got so much more to look forward to, guys, in my upcoming series, shall I call it, of my Egypt vlogs. I think I'm gonna have about 5 or 6 different videos, including the packing with me video as well, which will be up live by the time you are watching this. So be sure to check that out so you can see my outfits, as this is the end of my holiday now, and I fly home tonight. I've just done my welcome meeting now, got my GoPro ready for the water slides and walking now towards the water park. I'm super excited. There's the water park. It's like a lazy river, but I have these little boats to paddle along, which looks pretty cool. I should be able to go in on my own anyways. That's like, there's all the life jackets, but I think it's closed right now for them to have their break because all the water slides have been turned off as well. It was hot, but not hot enough to burn your feet, so it's nice enough to wear those stupid shoes. And I'm even upstairs now onto a slide with all my data got deleted. Stupid SD card. Let's go and have some more fun. Me around backwards. Oh my goodness. Earlier as well, which is quite funny. I got stuck again. Here we go. This one is the black hole. Here we go. The good thing about this, you don't know where you're going. Oh, which way are we going? Woo! You ready to come out? Now on this yellow slide. Oh. Woo! This slide's so So yeah guys, that is the end of this video. I do hope you have enjoyed. Please smash a big thumbs up if you have, subscribe if you haven't already, comment